In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Ubisoft to Twitch on phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and connect your Ubisoft and Twitch accounts. This is going to be mandatory if you want to receive drops and, of course, integrate the games with the Twitch ecosystem. So all of this you have to do is visit the official Ubisoft website. You can either start this process on the Ubisoft website or the Twitch website, but in my opinion, it is easier to do this if you go over to ubisoft.com instead of twitch.tv. So when you arrive at the Ubisoft website, click on your icon at the top right corner of the screen and you will have to sign in to your Ubisoft account. Make sure that you sign into the appropriate one that you are going to be connecting to your main Twitch account. Once you are signed in and you click on your icon once more, you will see this menu and you just have to tap on Account Management. So tap on this option here. Once you tap on Account Management, another tab will open and you just have to go into the account information page where you can find this menu here after you scroll down, Linked Accounts. So if you notice, we have a Steam link established, but if you tap on 5 more and you scroll down, you will be able to find Twitch over here at the bottom. So as you can see, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is required to unlock exclusive contents available on Twitch live streams. So just go ahead and click link. Now, you will have to open this link here, and after it is done, you just sign in using your Twitch credentials. It is extremely simple, so just log in using your username and password and both accounts will be connected. Now sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate this because I don't have a secondary Twitch account at hand, but it's as simple as including these credentials here, and after it is done, you will be good to go. Both accounts will be linked, and you can manage this link at any time by going over to the Ubisoft website and accessing the account management page once again. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Ubisoft to Twitch on phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.